Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Monday, July 25th, 2022. Just want to let you know, along with following the weather discussions here on the NYNJPA Weather YouTube channel and at nynjpaweather.com, you can also follow on MetX Weather, the weather app from tomorrow.io, to get the latest information from there too, as I expand my coverage zone to also include portions of New England and the southern mid-Atlantic and the eastern Great Lakes in text discussions. So definitely check that out. Well, I think we're all tired and done with this heat. With this heat wave, with temperatures in the upper 90s to lower 100s, it has gotten so bad that we, quite frankly, me and my wife, we decided to go shopping for Halloween just to kind of fall into the region, because it has been way too hot. It's been ridiculously too hot, and in some cases just way too dry. So yeah, we're pretty much done with the heat waves here. And the good news is that an end to the worst of this heat wave is on the way, as we improve our weather conditions and we start to move away from the hottest part of summer. But it's still kind of muggy out there this morning. Temperatures range from the lower to mid 70s over the far northern interior. Notice, you see this symbol here? This means thunderstorms. So showers and thunderstorms are on the way. They're currently pushing through central Pennsylvania and northeastern Pennsylvania. That's the first of a few lines. And along the coast, we have temperatures ranging from the upper 70s to lower 80s in your suburbs, and along the immediate coast, lower to mid 80s in your urban areas with winds from the southwest, around 5 to 15 miles per hour. You will need an umbrella for today, and the reason why is because of this cold front and these troughs here. These are called prefrontal troughs, okay? So these prefrontal troughs will move through ahead of the main cold front, and one of them is producing some pretty impressive showers and thunderstorms, a nice healthy line here. Now the question for today is whether or not this first line here stabilizes the atmosphere enough so that we don't deal with much noise, severe thunderstorms thereafter. It's a bit questionable, so we're going to have to watch it very carefully. But one thing's for sure, this line of showers and thunderstorms will move through from now on through about 3 o'clock in the afternoon from west to east. And then the cold front follows for the evening hours, just in time for rush hour, with another wave of showers and thunderstorms. And again, both of these lines could feature severe thunderstorms. We're talking about the potential for intense heavy downpours, frequent lightning, wind gusts over 40 miles per hour if they reach severe levels over 65 miles per hour. And yes, there is a threat for an isolated tornado, especially around Connecticut, portions of western Long Island, the Hudson River Valley, and northern New Jersey. You could even include portions of central New Jersey, as we have enough vertical wind shear over the region to support that threat. So definitely going to be watching that as this cold front moves through. After this cold front moves through, well, unfortunately, it runs right into the western Atlantic ridge, and, well, it just kind of hangs around. So let's take a look at some of the satellite pictures. Now, this is the visible satellite picture, and you can see we have a mix of sun and clouds this morning. Here is our first wave of showers and thunderstorms. The primary question is whether or not we see enough clearing behind this initial line to destabilize the atmosphere again and produce a second wave of showers and thunderstorms. Some models say yes, some models say no. And that is the nature of convective weather forecasting. On the infrared satellite picture, you can see the evolution of our weather pattern developing here. The United States disappears, but don't worry, it's still there. Here's our cold front. This is our western Atlantic ridge, and up here is the trough that's driving this cold front, and we're basically caught in between. So this cold front will get to about our coastal waters, and then it will move no further. So basically, it will become stationary and hang around our region, and that's going to keep us in a threat for showers and thunderstorms throughout the week. Not a washout, but certainly a pest. So for today, look for waves of showers and thunderstorms. Some of them may be severe with very heavy downpours. Temperatures are going to feel so much cooler after being around 99 and 100 the past 2 days. We're looking at high temperatures in the mid to upper 80s over the interior, mid to upper 80s along the coast, and upper 80s to lower 90s in the Delaware River Valley. For tonight into tomorrow morning, lingering showers and thunderstorms. Again, not a washout, but certainly a bit of a pest. look for low temperatures in the upper 50s to lower 60s over the far northern interior, mid to upper 60s in your suburbs, and upper 60s to lower 70s in your urban areas. By tomorrow afternoon, look for a scattered cloud cover with a threat for an isolated shower or thunderstorm or two. Your best potential is going to be down towards southern New Jersey. But again, certainly not a washout or anything of that nature. Look for high temperatures in the mid to upper 80s. For Wednesday, kind of rinse and repeat. Stationary front hangs around the region. Mix of sun and clouds. Threat for isolated to widely scattered showers and thunderstorms. Look for temperatures to range from the mid to upper 60s over the interior, upper 60s to lower 70s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the lower to mid 80s along the immediate coast, mid to upper 80s everywhere else. On Thursday, the stationary front will lift north as a warm front with the threat for a few scattered showers and thunderstorms. Other than that, look for a scattered broken cloud cover with low temperatures ranging from the upper 60s to lower 70s over the interior, lower to mid 70s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the lower to mid 80s on the immediate coast, upper 80s to lower 90s everywhere else. On Friday, a cold front will move through widespread showers and thunderstorms. A few of them could be severe. We'll have to watch out for that. Look for low temperatures to range from the upper 60s to lower 70s over the interior and mid to upper 70s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the lower to mid 80s over the interior, mid 80s along the coast, and mid to upper 80s in the Delaware River Valley. Saturday, Sunday, and Monday of next week, high pressure from the Great Lakes will be in control, and that's going to provide us with tranquil weather conditions. There's going to be showers off to our south, let's say around the Baltimore and Washington, D.C. metropolitan areas, down towards the Delmarva. To the north, it's going to be crisp and cool in New England, and we are caught in between with a mix of sun and clouds through this period. Low temperatures will range from the lower to mid 60s over the interior, upper 60s to lower 70s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the lower to mid 80s over the interior and mid to upper 80s along the coast. That is your forecast discussion for today. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.